Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change letter paper to A3 size in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to change the paper size letter to A3. At first, zoom out the sheet. Now we can see here the size ratio of the page. Now we go to the page layout menu, select the size drop down menu. We can see here automatically selected the letter. Now we want to change the size legal A3, go to sum down and choose the A3 size. Now I am select this A3. We can see we change the size A3 easily. You want to make sure the size is changed, go to the file menu, select the print option and check the preview. We can see we changed the size letter to A3 easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.